Here's ARITZIA app Everyday Luxury, so you can see it in here. Your personal stylist whenever, wherever. Explore app exclusive content and curated outfit ideas. Unlock exclusive early access to coveted collabs, drops and new product launches. Discover the closet feature, a living archive of all your ARITZIA pieces, and get inspired by our best dressed community of ARITZIA muses, in-house stylists, and content creators. App exclusive content, app exclusive early access, closes, all of the things. And then yeah, you can just tap get and then just double click to install it. And yeah, so here you have it. And you can just open it up. So quite trendy right now on TikTok and wherever. Then you can just sign up. Can find all of the styles and you can shop for it. And you can just find your account, order history. I don't know whether they have any codes, any referral codes, things like that. But yeah, here you have it. And just some items. So finally, there is a mobile app for that if you're interested.